June 13, 2018. Quite a few movers this morning to both the upside and the downside. You know, nice. We should have a decent day today. We'll see. I'm gonna go short HRB here at the ask here if it gives it to me. And we're in. We're in at 24.15. Daily had been strong for a while, but yesterday it got destroyed. Got destroyed with earnings, I think. And today it gapped down. It's being bought up here at the open. And I think it's just going to turn around and drop. But we'll see. It's quite a big, huge gap down. So a lot of the shorts are going to cover here if it doesn't work out. Then it'll resume again. But it's down so much that it'll probably continue. It blew past all these support areas down here. Big critical ones here. All of them. It just took them all out. So chances are this thing is going to turn around and go below 23.50. And here it comes. I think it'll start going down right now. Let's take a look at this thing up close. I'm going to take this right here for a quick 25 cents or so. It is pretty extended, so chances are I will go down, but I'll take that. USAC, I'm going to take it here at the ask if it gives it to me. And we're in at 16.45. This one's the same as HRB. Look, it dropped from 18 all the way down to almost 16 on the daily. It blew past all these supports. And now it gaps down today being bought up, you know, and possibly some short covering if there was a lot of shorts in it. And then it should just turn around and go right back down just because it's blew past everything. 200. All these supports. So we'll see. It could shoot up too. And if it does shoot up, oh man, I don't know. Next resistance area is up at 16.50 where it's at right now. So it'll probably get knocked down here. But if not, we're looking at 17 as a stop. Anything over 17 should be the stop. BSX looks good here, but look at how strong it was yesterday. So this one would be wouldn't be good. So I'm not going to take it. I want to. Look at that. It's just turning right here. It's at a whole number here. So once it breaks under 32, it'll go down. But this is dangerous. So don't do it. PVTI. PVTI looks good here for a long, but I'm a little late to the party. I would have liked to get in at 25.50. I would have taken it already. But yeah, this one looks good. Look at the daily. But I just missed it. I just got to it late. That's all right. USAC. It's so far not working out. If it don't work out soon, I'm just going to come out of it because, I don't know. I don't like it. USAC, I think I'm going to come out of this one. I'm going to put a buy right here. I don't like it. If it goes by there, it's out. I'm out. Out of that one. I just don't like the way it's trading there. It just seems like it's going to go up to me. So I'll come out with a 15-cent loser on that one. It just doesn't want to go even a little bit down. So that tells me it's going to squeeze right up. And maybe I'll take it later. USAC. I should have stayed in it. Look, Should have stayed in it because look, it just turned around. I would have been in the money already if I would have just waited a couple more minutes. SYK, I'm liking this one for a long here. I'm going to try to take this at the ask here, at the bid if it gives it to me. Alright, we're in. We're in at 170.50. This is a big mover, but I like the way it's coming up here. Daily looks great. It was strong for a long time, and then it dropped for some reason. Alright, it's working out. We'll talk about it after. I'm going to try to take this at the 82 right here if it gives it to us. Just a quick trade here. Alright, we're out of 100. Alright, we're out for 30 cents. Quick little scalp there for about 30 cents. Oh, I should have waited. Look at that thing go. I should have waited. It stinks. Look at it go. Big spread. Big spread. I thought I could get a little. I wasn't sure I could get that much, but got some of that. BITA. I'm going to try to get this in at the bid here. Oh, we're in. We're in at 28.79 long. Daily looks great for a long. You know, it's been uptrending for a couple months now, I would say. And today it gapped up all the way up to 30.70. And then it got sold off. Of course, it hit a major resistance area up here and it blasted through it. So it got sold off all the way down to here. Intraday gaps up, buys at the open, a lot of buys at the open, and then it sold off all the way down to 28. And then it consolidated there for a while, and now it's going back to its original trend. I would have liked to have bought it below the 9, but this one's got nice potential to go up to, I don't know, I like it to pick it up at 29.25. That's probably my target, about 50 cents. But if it doesn't move fast enough, I'll probably take less. I think once it goes over 29, it should go to 29.25 fairly quickly. Stop on this one is, yeah, it's a point. That's the stop on this one. I mean, and you can take more. You can take more on this one because this one has a potential to go right back up to 30 and blast right off, you know. BITA looks like it's trying to work here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Like to see it right over that area there, then it should go. Spread is big, 10 cents, 5, 10 cents, 3 cents, you know. Technology is on fire today. Let's take a look at the triple Qs. Look at that. All-time highs, I think. Yep, all-time highs today. Blasting off. BIT, let's take this at the 20 if it gives it to us. You know what? I'm going to take it at the 10 instead. If it gives it to us there. And we're out. So we're out of BITA for about 30 cents. Could have got a little bit more, I think, but the safer bet would be to just take that right there. But this thing is still going. Looks good. Oh, here it goes. I would have gone up to the 20. 29. Oh, I should have waited. Could have got. Oh, and it's still going. You know what? I'm going to take this for a short up here. BITA at the ask here. I think I can get a nice quick trade off of this one here from the top here. I'll explain after if I get in it. Yeah, I think I can. Oh, we're in. All right, so we're in for 29.44. Now this was probably a bad idea, but I think this one's going to turn around. We took it for a long earlier because it's so strong, and it had fallen. So we took it long at about 28.79, right around there. And we took a little bit. We took like 30 cents from it, which is great. Now I think it's reaching an area where there's a lot of resistance. Look at all of this resistance right here. And it smashed it down. All right. And then it had a nice rally up to that point. Now, if these were new highs, then I'd be like, I'm not going to touch this. But look, it needs to get up to here on the daily for this thing to really break out. It just does. Yeah, so I think this is going to hit a lot of resistance in this area here and just turn around and go right back below the 9. And then it'll probably get bought up again, like 28.75, you know. But it could be a bad decision here. But stop should be over the highs here. But I think I can get at least it back to 28.85, 80. You know, I'll even think about it at 29 coming out of it because it's not going my way right away. If the trade goes my way right when I get into the trade, then I give it more. I try to give it more. But if it goes against me and then it comes back, now I got to give it less. Less of a target, you know. My opinion, anyway. What works for me, you know. Whatever works for you, but what works for me is like that. Just really what's happening in the moment, you know. With a lot of foresight from the charts. BITA. Alright, now I think it's probably going to turn around here and just go below 29.50 and probably down to 29. I'd like to take it around there. Here it comes. It's a good size mover, so it can easily go below it. Here it is. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Alright. Not looking for too much, just a little bit. If we can get to 29, that'd be nice. BITA is looking good here. I'm going to try to take it at, I don't know, like take it at 20. Let's see if it gives it to us for 20. Here it comes. 29.20 target for about 25 cents or so. If it doesn't go soon, I'm just going to come out of it. You know what? I'm going to come out of it right here. I'm out. Out of it right there. I don't like it anymore. Just got out of BITA. I hit market. It was at 29.33 the ask, and I hit market, and it shot right up to 29.45, and I actually lost on it. Lost 1 cent plus commissions. That stinks. Would have got at least 10 cents on it. BABA. I'm gonna pick some up right here at the bid if it gives it to me. We're in. We're in at 207.28. Now this stock's been super strong. You know, super strong. And today it opens and it gets a sell-off. All right. And then it rallies from below the 9. Then it gets another sell-off, a good one this time. About the same size as the first one, just it's with no breaks in between. But then we come down here and it's got this monster bottoming tail here. So I'm thinking with the Qs being really strong today, this sucker's going to turn around and it's going to shoot right back up to at least 207.50, you know, probably more, till it either turns back down or just continues. Because look at the daily. That thing is monstrous. And like I said, tech is up today. It's up, and I don't think it's going to go down. So I think this sucker's got I could probably get a full point on this one, more, but we'll see. BABA, let's take a look at this one. And it's coming our way. Got about 30 cents made in it already. You know what? I'm going to take it here at the 67 if it gives it to me. Here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. And we're out. We're out for about almost 40 cents. I'll take that. Quick trade. Could have probably got more, but it is down for the day. And I was just getting a pullback from the lows. And it's usually about 30 cents, maybe 50, between 30 and 50. And then most of the time they turn around and go back down. But this is a major stock, and look at the daily. The daily is just on fire, so I had to take it. I couldn't resist. Anyways, that's going to be my last trade. We're up 156. Let's take a look at the trades. Few winners and a couple of losers. Biggest winner on BABA, and biggest loser on USAC. And that's it. Thanks for watching.